Discover timeless style and smart design. Our super value faux wood plantation shutter offers the look of wood with the enhanced benefits of solid polymer material, providing superior energy efficiency, durability, and stability at an unbeatable value. This shutter is the perfect upgrade to any home. Ready to see what makes the super value faux wood plantation shutter stand out? Let's explore the options. Choose from our two most popular and versatile colors, pure white and off-white, each paired with perfectly coordinated hinge finishes for a seamless look. Pick the perfect louver size to match your home's style. Our 2.5-inch louver provides a traditional appearance that will complement windows of various styles and is ideal for smaller windows. Or open your views with the modern, widely spaced 3.5-inch louvers, a favorite for larger windows and contemporary spaces. Customize your installation with the inside mount Z-frame. This installs inside the window opening to create a decorative, overlapping trim that hides inconsistencies in the window and frames the view for a finished look. The inside mount bullnose frame is installed inside the window opening. This contemporary-looking frame has a rounded outer edge that also hides imperfections. Inside mount L-frame is an L-shaped frame that sits inside the window opening and offers a minimalist look. It can be used if you already have trim around your window. Outside mount L-frame is mounted outside the window opening onto the wall, trim, or door, providing a surface to mount. These options will fit any window and design vision. Select the panel style that best suits your space. Single panel right, single panel left, double panel, or 4-panel configurations. The front tilt bar is standard and provides a touch of classic charm. The center rod attaches to the louvers and moves up and down. The rounded cutout in the top shutter panel rail is the mouse hole, which is designed to fit the tilt rod. This hole allows complete and tight closure of the louvers in the upright position. The divider rail is optional and divides the louvers into top and bottom sections that operate independently and allows for more precise light control in the room. The divider rail is placed as close to the center as possible. For windows over 74 inches in height, the divider rail is required to add stability to tall windows. A cost-effective choice with premium touches, let's explore features that make our super value faux wood plantation shutter more than just good looks. Our super value faux wood plantation shutters are made from an advanced engineered polymer that looks like painted wood, but is more durable. This shutter is also UV resistant to prevent fading and yellowing, and will not crack, chip, split, or warp. Save on energy costs. The super value faux wood frames and louvers are reinforced with internal aluminum inserts, keeping interiors cooler in summer and warmer in winter. These shutters insulate up to 65% better than real wood. Moisture-resistant and easy-to-care-for features make this shutter an excellent choice for bathrooms, kitchens, and high-humidity areas, as well as high-traffic homes. Simply wipe with a soft, wet cloth. If necessary, a mild soap can also be used. Enjoy a perfect fit with custom-made shutters that are designed for quick, hassle-free installation. Please note, shutter frames must be mounted securely into wooden studs or anchored correctly into the drywall. Designed with attention to detail, this shutter uses a concealed magnetic latch system to ensure panels stay securely closed and neatly in place. These shutters are eco-friendly, antimicrobial, and fire-retardant NFPA 701 certified for a cleaner, safer home. Why choose the super value faux wood plantation shutter? From classic charm to modern appeal, the Super Value Faux Wood Plantation Shutter is made to elevate your everyday spaces. Durable, energy efficient, and beautifully crafted, it's the upgrade your home deserves without stretching your budget. Designed to last for years, it's a smart investment in both style and peace of mind.